Alright, today we're going to be looking at Unit 10.12, a Lagrange error bound. Alright, Lagrange error bound, sorry. So the way that we're going to find it is just our max value times f plus whatever degree we're looking for plus 1 times x minus c to n plus whatever value we're looking for over n plus 1. So secondary Maclaurin polynomial for cosine x, what is the Lagrange error bound? So the first thing we're going to do is just going to identify, I'll do it in a different color. Sorry, just remember what this is called, factorial. Okay, so f of x is equal to cosine x. Our f prime is going to be equal to negative sine x. And f double prime is going to be equal to negative cosine x. And then we're only looking for the second degree, so we need to stop. For Maclaurin, we remember that it starts at 0, so we're just going to plug in 0 for x. And this is going to turn into 1. This one right here is going to turn into 0. And cosine at 0 is going to equal 1, but we're going to stick that negative on, so it's going to be negative 1. Now, to plug this in, our max value is going to be this one right here. So I'm just going to do this like that. Our max value is going to be 1 times f3, evaluated at c. f3 evaluated at c times x minus 0 power of 3 over n plus 1 factorial, which if we're trying to find the second degree, it's going to be 3 factorial, absolute value of that. So we know f at 3 is going to equal negative 1, so it's going to be negative 1 times x to the power of 3 over 3 factorial, absolute value. And we know that our error bound has to be less than that. So we're going to do Rn, absolute value of Rn is going to be less than or equal to negative x to the power of 3 over 3 factorial.